guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to make a magic circle, and if you find a magic circle way too complicated, because I know a lot of beginner crocheters struggle with it, I do have an alternative for you. So here I just have some regular yarn, and I'm going to show you the first method, which is how you make a normal magic circle. So you're going to get your hand and you just want to, hold your hand out like this, and you're going to use these two fingers to form your circle. So you're going to hold it towards yourself like this, and then grab your yarn and place it over and use your thumb to pinch the yarn like this. And we're going to wrap it around the back, and then we're going to wrap it so it crosses over the yarn that we have at the front. So here we have just formed an X shape. Now that we have our X shape, we're going to just turn our hand towards ourselves like this and just adjust everything. So at the back of your hand over here, we have two strands of yarn that are not overlapping, but then when we turn our hand, we have this X shape over here. So now we're going to form the magic circle. You're going to get your crochet hook. You can use any crochet hook you want. I'm just using my trusty 4mm crochet hook. I literally use this for everything. And we're going to grab our yarn that's at the front over here, and then grab the yarn at the back like this. And you want to twist your hook as well, just to keep it nice and secure. And I'm going to remove it from my fingers like so, and make sure you just hold the yarn so it keeps the shape of the ring. And to secure the ring in place, we're just going to chain one like this. And that is your magic circle. Feel free to watch this video as many times as you need to get the hang of it. And now we're just going to see if it works. So I'm just going to work 2 or 3 single crochets into the magic circle. So all you need to do is you place your hook through the hole like this, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through 2 of your loops. It's just like making a normal single crochet, but just inside the circle like this. And we're going to see if it works. We're just going to let go of this, and we're going to pull the tail end of our circle closed. I am so sorry, my camera just went out of focus. But yeah, we're just pulling the tail like this. And this is our magic circle complete. So now I'm going to show you method number 2, which might be a little bit easier for you guys. To start off this next method, we're going to make a slip knot, and then we're going to place the knot onto our hook and make sure that it's tight around your hook, and then we're going to chain 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, once you've chained 4, we're going to find our first stitch, which is over here, and we're going to insert our hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull that through, and then make a slip knot. And here we have our circle, and in the middle of the circle, I don't know if you can see it clearly, but we have a small hole, and that's where we'll be working our stitches into. So in order to make a single crochet inside this hole, what you're going to do is place your hook inside the middle of your chain that you've turned into a circle, and then we're going to yarn over, pull that loop through, yarn over, and pull those 2 loops through. And that's how you make one single crochet inside our fake magic circle. So I'm going to do it like 3 more times just to show you what it should look like once you've completed the amount of single crochets that you want to make. Typically when you're making plushies and stuff that require a magic circle, you're supposed to do around 6, and my camera is going out of focus. So I'll come back to you when I've single crocheted 6 inside. And this is what it should look like. And you should have a tail from where you made your chains, and if you pull that, then your circle should close just like a magic circle. And this is a lot easier than the first method, and a lot of people do tend to use this method, but I tend to just use the magic circle method. I prefer it so much better to this, but both work exactly the same. Alright guys, that is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and as always, I will see you in the next one.